Hello, 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 guys. How you doing? Master Calvin FX here, El Dorado FX. We always trying to do the best. Always trying to bring you the best analysis as possible. As you can see, guys, we're trying to smash goal every single day and trying to bring to you the fresh ideas every day regarding the markets. So as you can remember, we're gonna do a recap now of all the move we have anticipated. Not all of them, but some of them. And then, guys, if you manage to enter this move, guys, congratulations, because really, really was on point, almost everything we said. So, unfortunately, as it is, gold is dynamic. That is why we suggest that you guys get into our signal group so we can give you suggestion on where to enter and more clear instructions. This is, as you know, no financial advice. It's just anticipation of what we think is going to happen in the market. So let's jump straight into it. Remember this Forex.com analysis that we done. We went into the weekly. We drew the channel. We knew about the move. We also established our daily demand zone, our daily supply zone, and it was incredible. It was really nice because whoever managed to enter just at least half of the setup that we provide and insist on the buy. It was really, remember, I've been saying that I prefer the buys because that's basically what the market is doing. So the entry of 608 that we provided with a sell of 60 pips was the amazing one of the last week. So if you did it, congratulations, because it went up more than 500 pips to the upside. We also suggested a self-entry with confirmations, which is basically did the confirmations and the price went down, guys. So if we go back to the last day of the market opening, 11th of October, yeah, it managed to hit the entry at some point. Yeah, it was right here when it hit the entry, and then the price went down. Yeah, it hit the entry and then the price went down around, I don't know, 60, 70 pips. But unfortunately, it was a bullish Friday, and whoever managed to get the entry from the bottom was the best entry we suggested as a long-term entry. Remember that we're still targeting the 3K as a standard TP. For now, what we're gonna wait is what the market is telling us to wait for a retracement, at least to 42 area to be retested, and then keep buying. That's just basically, even though that we are in a supply area that still probably manage the price to reverse. But we don't want to speculate. We want to wait for the price action. But I would suggest some entries later on. So if we now go into we are in Forex.com, but we go to the Black Bulls analysis that we done and we provide there in our Telegram channels. That is why we insist, guys, follow us in Telegram, follow us in social media, and then we're gonna do our best always to give you the best idea. But this one was a really nice idea because the idea was if the price break up below the zone 2605, between 2605 2624 was a massive demand area. It didn't break it. Instead, it's bounced back very strongly, more than 500 pips to the upside. We provide the setup, we provide the view, we provide everything in terms of gold, guys. So if you following, you are benefiting. So remember that we're targeting 3K, but first of all, at least we want to see the price above the all-time high. Amazing, amazing, amazing. It's incredible. All right, let's see what we can do today, guys, and then what we can suggest for the market tomorrow. So let's take a look and let's go to a chart and let's go to Oanda. Okay. Wanda, it was also here another setup that we provide a buy idea. Remember, we wanted to enter in 2,600, but because the market was respecting a lot the trend line and it managed to bounce from the trend line, guys. This is basically the power of trend lines, the power of supply and demand is incredible. Remember, we talk about that. We say that we're gonna probably go further down, but in the end, it's stabilized above the zone that we shows, and it also bounced from the trend line. So if you're emulating or imitating this analysis and setup, for sure, guys, you're making the back. So congratulations if you're doing it. We basically have our signal groups. I say we have our sponsor, our brokers, Vantage and PU Prime, which is amazing as well if you want to sign up with them and sign up with our signals. So everything incredible, guys. So let's go now to analyze one of the. Let's go to FMC. Yeah, let's use FX to do an analysis. These are previous analysis here that we suggested, but let's go from zero on this one, and we will notice something very interesting, that now we have a break of the trend line. So if we go, we see that it doesn't make sense to draw a trend line here. Remember the three touches that we mentioned. So the trend line, at least it will be around here. Okay, and then we see obviously that we have a break of a channel that was forming here, parallel channel. So meaning that the price can give us a very nice entry on the retracement to buy, and that's what I'm going to be looking for. So that is why for this analysis I'm going to be providing very straightforward entry for buy. I'm not going to speculate on the sell. It can be a sell as well. We can find, if you find confirmation, but I'm focusing on buys, guys. That's what I'm focusing on. Okay, so now we have our daily zone, our daily demand, and then we can see from there if we can at least try to find an entry and then give you an entry, guys, a suggested entry. Okay, so it's very good that you keep an eye on these prices that I'm gonna give, and then yeah, that would be amazing if we can get the entry. So let's gonna go for this entry area. Is a one that would be good to have, and then yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go above the trend line, remember, and then the SL will be placed below the trend line. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. It's a simple analysis. I'm not gonna complicate it too much. You see me drawing, you see me fast. We also, guys, in case you want to know, we do courses as well. So if you want to learn how I trade and what we do in the market, we also help you with psychology and many things. So just reach out to us and then we can help you with those things. So it's gonna be a long entry, and the preferable entry, what I prefer to get is this entry right here. Okay, so below this price would be the SL. Okay, so it's a little bit wide, but let's place it here, and then the price is 36 that we're gonna have as a SL. But remember, we have to check for confirmation, but this is the suggested entry, 2,642. Sorry, guys, 2,642. That's gonna be our entry. And then we're gonna have the TP place 2,685, actually 2,700. That's what we're going first, and then we're gonna go to 3K as a standard TP. Both there is liquidity. That is why we're gonna try to go to the liquidity pool, take it, and that's it, guys. That would be amazing. So 2,600 and actually 35. Okay, just in case that we have a deep retracement. But before that, let me check something. Let me check the calendar this time, because we need to be aware as well of all the news that are coming out and how really that's going to be impacting. So for my VIPs, I have to say, for my premium people, that I'm going to be analyzing weekly, in a weekly basis. At least I'm going to try to do it 2 to 3 times per week pre-US market. So we're gonna jump in 12:30 UK time, and we're gonna analyze the market with you live before anything. So it's gonna be, looks like, as quiet Monday and Tuesday, and then Wednesday we have some red for this. So meaning that the price action could be very nice. So let's have a look. So this is what we want to do, and this buy setup very simple. All right. Remember that we can also have a little bit of liquidity to grab even to this price, but let's see. As I say, if you want just entries, guided entries, and that you can join our signal groups. Okay, this is what I'm expecting. I'm expecting a retracement and then go for buys. Okay, this is goal, and then suggested entry, suggested area first, suggested area to look for buys is will be between 2,650 to 2,640, which will be 100 pips area for entry. And then my entry, suggested entry, our entry will be 2,642. Okay, that's the entry price. And then the TP will be 2,685. Actually, 700, remember. And then we're gonna have 2,700. Then we're gonna have our standard TP. Standard TP, sorry. 3K. Okay, and then the SL we say 2,635. All right, this is our suggested setup. Okay, be careful if you want to start piling up entry. You are a layering trader. You can start basically trying to get and start getting entries around between 2,000 6,500, entering slowly and slowly. It all depends how you trade. But if you want a sniper, just wait between these prices, 2,642 and 2,636 will be, or 35, something like that. So this is the suggested setup, guys. Remember, if you want signals, let me know, let us know, and then we can basically do that with you. All right, this is a very simple analysis. This is what we're expecting, and mostly the price keep going up when the price closes bullish or bearish, all depending how it closes in the week. And we notice a big switch, guy, to the upside. We see that. We basically, if you go to your charts right now and check it, look at that. The price wanted to drop a couple of times the week before, this last week, and it couldn't. And now it's established a very nice channel, and that channel is showing us the price booting up. It's incredible. This is how gold is. So let's get excited, because we know there's war, there's many things going on that can help us understand that the market is flowing up, it's want to fly. So we see this parallel channel is being broken to the upside. We see the structure down here, which is the very strong structure down in 2,550. The price refused to go down. So that's many things that can give you a clue. As data, very important to trade. US30, I won't even say anything. Whoever is a US30 trader, I am not myself, but I always trying to keep you posted, guys. This is incredible. Remember, remember, I say what I say is gonna be creating a new all-time high after new all-time high, and this is what is being going on. No other than that. So we say at these zones, remember the orange and the purple. What will happen? The price will continue going there, hitting, and try to fly. And it did for more than a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 7 days, 10 days, something like that. If we go to weekly, we see that for the last 3 weeks, unable to drop down. So incredible, guys. If you been keeping it up with US30, it's almost now more than 1,000 points, which is amazing. So whoever is trading these zones that I suggested these days, even the latest zones at price that I suggested, 42,402, it was amazing. For the last 2 days, it has been giving a lot of points to the upside. So incredible, incredible, incredible. Remember, the target is to get at least to 43K with US30, but at the moment it's running very smoothly. Whoever entered in this price and established even a 50 points SL 660, 70, 80, whatever. So the reward has been amazing in this case because it's more than 500 points to the upside. So tell me, guys, this is incredible. Keep trusting us, keep trusting Eldorado FX, Master Kelvin FX, always here to help you guys. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the weekend. We are here for you if you need anything. And remember, we can help you with your trading, we can help you with everything you need regarding Forex, especially regarding gold. Trade gold, and gold is amazing. Just let's keep going together, guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. Take it easy and see you next time. Bye bye.